Etymology and historical origin of the baby name Jocelyn. Jocelyn is a spelling variant of Jocelyn, a name brought to England via the Norman French and derived from an Old Frankish personal masculine name, Jocelyn. The Franks modeled Jocelyn after an Old Germanic name, Gautselin, which itself was derived from the name of a Germanic tribe. The Gauts, or sometimes referred to as Gaut's or Gauts, originated from present-day southern Sweden and northern Europe. The etymology of the word Gaut is derived from the common Germanic word Gauten, meaning to pour, flowing water, stream or waterfall. Jocelyn was a name used mainly for males until modern times when the application shifted to females, although it is still a masculine name in France. It is also sometimes believed that Jocelyn is associated with the Middle English word joys, which means to rejoice. Jocelyn is a recently created respelling of Jocelyn and used mainly in the United States. Personality of the girl named Jocelyn. The number one personality is a leader, strong and competitive. They are willing to initiate action and take risks. One personalities work hard toward their endeavors and have the ability to apply their creative and innovative thinking skills with strong determination. They believe in their ability to succeed and are too stubborn to be hindered by obstacles. Ones meet obstacles head-on with such mental vigor and energy that you better step aside. They resent taking orders, so don't try telling them what to do either. This is an intensely active personality, but they are also known as starters rather than finishers. They have a propensity to become bored and will move quickly to the next project if not properly challenged. They are the ones to think up and put into action new and brilliant ideas, but they are not the ones to stick around and manage them. This personality has an enthusiastic and pioneering spirit. They are distinctly original. Popularity of the girl named Jocelyn. While the traditional spelling of Jocelyn has been on the American female naming charts since the 1930s, the spelling variant of Jocelyn didn't appear until 1992. That being said, Jocelyn has risen up the charts to pretty respectable levels of usage, although moderate. It does appear that this variation of the name has been declining in recent years, probably due to the increased competition of others' forms, Jocelyn, Jocelyn and Jocelyn, not to mention Joyce. Parents may have the cool nickname Joss in mind when they use the non-traditional spelling with an S instead of a C. However, Joss Stone is a famous namesake and she spells her birth name as Jocelyn. America is one of those places where almost any spelling goes, but we're still fans of traditional spellings, just to eliminate the nuisance of your daughter going through life reconfirming the spelling of her name. You may not think it's a big deal, but the feedback on naming forums out there suggests otherwise. People actually do find it cumbersome to have to spell out their name or correct mistakes. Just something to consider for your daughter's future's sake. Quick facts on Jocelyn. Gender, girl. Origin, American. Number of syllables, 2. Ranking popularity, 473. Pronunciation, Joscelyn or Jocelyn. Simple meaning, flowing, pouring water, rejoice. Characteristics of Jocelyn. Ambitious, inventive, successful, individualistic, strong-willed, independent. Cultural references to the baby name, Jocelyn.